This is the code for the Honk robot. And here in the beginning, we have the monitoring cycle of the camera. The camera monitoring mode is on. When the camera relay pin is low, that means the relay is closed. The sensor is checked. If the goose is detected, if the sensor is low, no geese, it stays in monitoring mode. However, if the geese are detected, the sensor becomes high, and the deterrent cycle begins. So that's digital right camera relay pin high. The camera's power circuit breaks, and this prevents the camera from double triggering while the alarm is running. Then the digital right alarm relay pin high. This energizes the 100 decibel speaker and starts flashing the LED lights. And the speaker turns on for an interval of 20 seconds, which has been already selected up here. During these 20 seconds, the speaker is on and the LEDs are flashing. Then the camera goes off. And restarts the cycle of watching for geese. The components I have added are the 9-volt battery to simulate the solar powered battery. I have also added an Arduino Uno, 2 relay modules, 2 LED lights, 1 piezo buzzer to simulate the speaker, and 1 digital sensor to simulate the geese detection. Start the simulation, show that it runs. It's very noisy, obviously. I will stop the simulation.